Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In this video I'm going to show you how to mold or block a Sinamay fascinator with crinoline design, also using petals and roses made from Sinamay to design this beautiful fascinator. If you like to watch this or to learn how to make this, kindly watch till the end. Let's get started. Here is the heart. I already molded it. If you want to learn how to mold it, kindly check the link below to see our previous video on how to mold. You can see I went ahead to pin this middle part because of the shape, because if I do it the normal way, it's not going to come out. This shape will not come out, so that's why I did it like that. Thereafter I remove the tags, then just press down the edges like this. After this, I'm going to fix my millinery wire. So let me fix it right now and get back to you. If you want to learn how to fix it, kindly check the link. You will see our previous video on how to do it. You see I already fixed it inside, and I also stitch it round. Okay, so what we'll just do right now is to go straight up to the design. I'm going to cut out a rectangular piece. The best way to cut out a rectangular piece is to fold it in form of a triangle like this. Okay, the measurement I'm using is about 5 inches. You could use more than that or less depending on how big you want the design to be. Okay, so once you fold it in triangular form like this, you'll be able to cut out the rectangle shape easily. It will be nice for you instead of taking measurement of the 4 edges. Thereafter I'll just pull it up like this. You know, it's in form of a bias form, so after pulling it up I will stretch it sideways again. Stretch sideways, stretch upwards. Then I will add glue at this very point and at the back side of these two flies or edges. Then I will place it over it like this, like I'm placing one side on top of it, then fold one edge like this and place it right here on this place. Okay, then I will repeat the same thing on the other side of this flap like this. That's the left hand side. Fold it and place it on top of it like so. Then try to adjust it and make sure it's smooth behind. Okay, so I'll continue doing this. Then you can see the back side. Then just push it in. Thereafter I'll push the edge, that's the tip, push it out like it go in like a spoon. Okay, it goes in at the middle and at the tip is coming out like this. You can leave it just inside like that. It's a matter of choice, but this is how I want this design to be, to give me that petal shape. Here are the ones I made. Then let's make a leaf. In order to make a leaf shape or design, you're going to cut out a triangular piece like this. Okay, this is too big. I have to reduce it a little bit. Okay, after reducing it, I will add glue at the longer side of the this pattern that I cut out. Then on one side of one of the side of this shorter part. Okay, I'm not going to add glue at the third part. I'm just going to add at the longer side and choose any side from the short side and add. Then I fold it down once, then fold it down again the second time. While folding the second time, I will just drag it or pull it the way we usually do it. So here is it. After this, I'm going to make sure that the side that I folded face down, while the new side, that's the neat side, faces me like this. Then add glue at this down part and start picking it like this to give me that leaf shape. Okay, thereafter I will hold it like this and just adjust it to make it perfect. Okay, so you keep adjusting till you arrive or get what you want. I made two of these leaves. Two is okay for me. You could make more than that. It's a matter of choice. Then I cut out a rectangular piece like the way I usually do. If you want to learn it, also check the link below. You will see a link there. Just watch it. Then I added glue at each of these petals and the leaves. Then I start placing it. Always put left at the 4 cardinal point first before adding others. That's the best way to get a good result. Okay, I have 5 of these now. Then I'm going to make a roses to place at this middle. In order to get a rose, I'm going to cut out a straight piece of about 2 inches or 1.5 inches. You can make it more than that if you want it big, but this is not going to be big, so I think 1.5 is just okay for this particular one. After cutting out this straight piece, I will add glue at one end like this. After adding the glue, I'll fold it down a little the first time, then fold it down again the second time. When folding down the second time, ensure that maybe you pull it a little bit so that it can be firm. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. No, that's how we usually do it. Let me quickly give a shout out to my wonderful subscribers. I say thank you so much for subscribing, for making us happy. I'm so happy whenever I see your subscription. Your subscription matters a lot to me, to us. Thank you so much. We promise to be giving you nice and unique content here, okay? Thank you. I love you. I love you. Kisses to you all who have subscribed so far. When you're done with folding the edges, you add some glue at this down part like so. That's the part you did not fold, okay? Just add glue all around now. Then you start rolling it in like this. Okay, you roll in. When you get to a little extent, like after rolling for like 2 or 3 times, you just start picking it and start going around like this. You see I'm kind of pleating it, as in I'll pleat it. Just watch closely, you understand what I'm saying. I don't know how to really explain this, so I'll keep pushing it in like this or picking it like this, like in form of gathers or pleating. I don't know how to call it. Then I'll keep doing it like this till I achieve my aim of getting a rose. Okay, there are several ways to make roses. This is just one of the ways, so if you like to learn the other ways, always stay tuned and let me know in the comment section so that I will include it in my next video. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna add some glue at the back side here. Then take the petals, the group of petals, and place it at the middle like this. You can see how nice it's looking already. You can use that as hairball already. Then I'll add glue also at this leaf design that I made, and try to add it to the petals like this. Okay, ensure that you stitch. I've already stitched this group of petals I made. Okay, so now that I added leaf, I also stitch it as well. So you see I'm trying to decide where to put the leaf. You can place it anywhere. You can place it together. You can place it on opposite direction. It's a matter of choice. Okay, thereafter you see I also went out to pull out some feathers, and I will add the feathers to it like this. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm going to place it aside. I'm definitely going to stitch it to the main hat. So let's do other designs. See my crinoline here. I'll fold it like this in kind of double to form a bow tie, a one-sided bow. I just need one bow for this design. So after folding it like this, I'm going to go ahead and tie it. Make sure it's very firm. You can add glue as well. Here is it. I cut it out. Then the remaining part, watch closely. I'm going to add some glue at this edge that is frailing, okay, so that it can be secured there. After adding my glue, I will gather it and hold it together like this. and just twist it around. You can go ahead and tie it too, it's still the same. After getting this, then look at this place closely. Can you see this place? There is no line here, it's smooth there. Look at the other end, you will see that there is a rope, a tiny rope or thread going through it. This is it. So I'm going to grab the edge of that rope or thread and start pulling it like this. Okay, I'll keep pulling it till I get the desired length I want. This particular crinoline, I use 2 yards, but I don't know the extent of what I want to use or the length yet, so I will just keep pulling it till I use my eye to see how will I say it now, how bulky it is. If it is too much, I'm going to reduce it. Okay, so I'll keep pulling it like this. So once I get what I want, I'm going to cut out the excess. But at the end of the day, what I cut out was about 18 inches. So it means I used 1.5 yards for this particular pulling and dragging of design, because this design is going to help me to form a kind of a facial veil. Okay, a facial veil. So when I place it, it's going to be like this. Can you see it? So this is how I want it to be. After that, I'm going to take my needle and thread, then just tie the edge and start passing it from this beginning where this rope or this thread is coming out from the crinoline. Okay, I'll just pass inside and outside, just like the way we do loose stitches. I also want to give a shout out to those who haven't subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Are you not liking what we are doing here? Please subscribe so that you can encourage us. And to our new subscriber, if today is your first day here, you are highly welcome. You are in the right place. We usually upload videos every Mondays and Thursdays, and try to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you can get notified anytime we upload new videos. Okay, I say I love you as you subscribe. God will bless you. And you can see it now. I finish pulling it, then I just stitch it on top of the heart like this. Okay, then I try to adjust it to make sure that this crinoline cover it up a little bit. Then I'll try to adjust the other side as well to get what I want. Then from this part, I'm going to cut out the excess. You can see what I was saying before. I measured it and I discovered that it was 18 inches left. So that means all I used here was about 1.5 yards. So after this, I'm going to hold these edges as well, because you know crinoline usually frail. Then I'll add glue to secure it so it will not continue to frail. Okay, after adding my glue, I will go ahead and repeat the same thing I did at the beginning at this place by holding it like this and tying it. Thereafter, this is what I have. This part that I just tied, I'm gonna try to push it in. Okay, I will raise this one up, take it to this place like this, then it will just remain there while I stitch it down. Okay, you can do yours any design you want as well. It's a matter of choice, like I always say. Okay, so now that I have it here like this, I'm just gonna go ahead now and stitch it. Thereafter, I'll add glue at this group of petals and leaves that I made. Okay, these ruffles, then place it on top of that place where I have a kind of opening in the crinoline, that hole where I stitch. I'll use this particular design to cover it up and just stitch it across. After that, the inner part of it where the thread is showing inside, I cut out a rectangular piece, added glue and just cover it up so that those stitches will not be showing. Can you see how nice it's looking? Wow, this is amazing. I also went a step ahead to cover the edges with a ribbon. I did not get Peter Shan to buy, so I decided to use ribbon to cover it, and it came out very nice. I also added or stitch in my elastic. You could use Alice band, it's a matter of choice. Can you see it on me? Wow, I look like a queen. Is this not lovely? Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe. Okay, I remain Ahviworld. Bye.